So here we are at the National Horse Racing Museum in Newmarket, and there's a lovely competition going on here out the back of the vans. Rob Shave is judging it. Strom's Home have been marvellous in sponsoring us, and you can see we've got guys, most of them are local, but we even had two come down from Yorkshire to have a go, so they're all excited about it. We've got 3 classes, and then we have one special class in the museum forge, which is the 10-minute shoe. So this is where we're doing the 10-minute shoe. They've got 12 inches of 19 by 8 or 3/4 5/16, whichever you prefer. And they've got 10 minutes to make a shoe of their choice. Toby Pedley from Yorkshire is having a go now. You can hear him dinging away behind me. Let's go in and have a look.
How long was? 1 minute.
Hi Rob.
Hello Simon.
Now, how's the judging going then, Rob? You've got plenty of shoes in front of you.
Lots to look at the minute. Trying to sift through first and second year shoes. There's quite a lot on the table, which is great to see. Very mixed bag. Mixed.
Good, bad and indifferent, is it?
Good, bad and indifferent is probably the best way of putting it. I'm just trying to put
there's
blocks
some
and
nice
groups
ones
at the minute.
in
Yeah,
there.
some of these. So they're
Oh,
top
really?
5 at the minute.
Is that what you do? You
Yeah.
sort out what your best ones
Yeah, I do just an overall look to
Yeah.
start with, put them in different groups, and now I'm going through nitpicking little bits just to move them around, and then I'll give them marks. But I think it's a fairer sort of way of doing it than individually marking each shoe, because
Yeah.
sometimes they can end up all a bit close.
Well,
so I'd rather they were in an order, and
Yeah.
most people coming in will probably pick up the best pair of shoes, is what I always think. And if my best pair and you pick up the same, I always think it's quite fair then.
Yeah.
But this is the harder end actually, where I'm at in the minute.
Oh,
So
well.
I'm sort of in the middle. So
You-
it's
but
split in the
thing
middle
about-
ones.
You don't have to mark them down to 20th place though, do you?
No. But I'm going to try and give them all feedback and
Okay.
marks on them each of them,
Excellent,
because
excellent.
the apprentices is really important.
Yeah, they're really enthusiastic, aren't they? Anyway, we'll let you get on with this.
Brilliant.
So, thanks for coming and doing it.
Lovely. Thank you very much.
Okay.